Annyeonghaseyo, K-drama lovers. Ever wished you could understand those heart-fluttering lines in Queen of Tears without subtitles, or even say them yourself? Today, KoreanFlashX is bringing you the ultimate guide to 9 K-drama romance phrases you'll hear in every love scene, so get ready to swoon and learn. Imagine that electric moment, a long-awaited reunion, or a sudden realization of attraction. These phrases capture those initial, powerful emotions in true K-drama style. I missed you. Expressing sincere longing to a loved one you haven't seen for a while, often used in emotional reunions or after a period of separation.
보고 싶었어.
Now you try. Formal.
보고 싶었어.
Casual.
보고 싶었습니다. 보고 SHI-peo-sseo-da. 모어 포멀. 보고 싶었어.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
보고 싶었어. 나도 보고 싶었어. 정말 힘들었어.
Watch your pronunciation, the sound. It's a tense, unaspirated S sound, almost like a sharp SS in kiss but without the I before it. Don't make it sound like SH. They would reply.
나도 보고 싶었어.
In K-drama, Queen of Tears, Episode 7, Baek Hyun-woo to Hong Hae-in after their difficult separation, conveying his deep longing. My heart skipped a beat. Used to describe the feeling when someone's actions or words unexpectedly cause your heart to flutter or pound, indicating a strong emotional reaction or attraction.
심장이 쿵했어.
Now you try. Formal.
심장이 쿵했어.
Casual.
심장이 쿵했습니다. 심장아이 컹헤이서요프에나이다. 모어 포멀. 심장이 쿵했어.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
방금 심장이 쿵했어. 왜? 무슨 일 있었어? 내 미소 때문에.
Watch your pronunciation, the sound. Ensure the ing sound is pronounced at the back of the throat, not a hard K or G at the end. It's a soft, nasal ing like in sing. They would reply.
정말요?
In K-drama, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, S1E2, when Lee Young-jun makes an unexpectedly sweet gesture, surprising Kim Mi-seo. You're really pretty/handsome. A direct and sincere compliment about someone's appearance. Use YEOP-pe-da for women, pretty/beautiful, and MEO-shitt-da for men, handsome/cool/stylish.
너 정말 예쁘다 멋있다.
Now you try. Formal.
너 정말 예쁘다 멋있다.
Casual.
정말 예쁘십니다 멋있으십니다. 정말 예쁘시베나이다 MEO-shitt-da 모어 포멀 아너리 픽스. 너 정말 예쁘다 멋있다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is / in conversation.
너 정말 예쁘다. 아니야, 고마워. 정말이야.
Watch your pronunciation, the in. It's a tense, double P sound, pronounced without any aspiration, no puff of air. Don't make it sound like B or a soft P. They would reply.
고마워요.
In K-drama, Crash Landing on You, S1E5, Ri Jong-hyuk compliments Yoon Se-ri on her appearance, causing her to blush. As feelings grow deeper, K-drama characters articulate their commitment and vulnerability. These phrases are for those crucial, heart-to-heart moments that define a relationship. Stay by my side. A heartfelt and often desperate plea for someone to remain with you, offering emotional support, comfort, or companionship, especially during difficult times or for the future.
내 옆에 있어줘.
Now you try. Formal.
내 옆에 있어줘.
Casual.
제 옆에 있어 주십시오. JEOP-pe i-sseo 주십시오. 모어 포멀 단어 리픽. 내 옆에 있어줘.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
내 옆에 있어줘. 응, 그럴게. 항상. 고마워.
Watch your pronunciation, the yeep sound. The yeo is a diphthong, and the final is unreleased, making it sound like p but without a strong puff of air. It's almost swallowed. They would reply.
응, 그럴게.
In K-drama, Goblin, S1E13, Kim Shin's desperate pleas to Ji Eun-tak to stay by his side, highlighting their tragic fate. I love you. The most direct and common way to express romantic love. While also used for close family/friends, in a K-drama romance, it's the ultimate confession of deep affection.
사랑해.
Now you try. Formal.
사랑해.
Casual.
사랑합니다. 사랑해매나이다. 모어 포멀 폴라잇. 사랑해.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
사랑해. 나도 사랑해. 영원히 함께하자.
Watch your pronunciation, the in. It's often a flapped or sound, similar to the TT in butter in American English, but lighter and quicker. Not a hard L or a rolled R. They would reply.
나도 사랑해.
In K-drama, countless K-dramas, but notably Queen of Tears, episode 16, a pivotal and emotional confession between Hyun-woo and Hae-in. Don't go. A desperate and emotional plea for someone to not leave, often used in dramatic scenes where characters are facing separation or a difficult decision.
가지마.
Now you try. Formal.
가지마.
Casual.
가지 마십시오. 가지 마십시오. 모어 포멀 폴라잇. 가지마.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
가지마. 미안해. 어쩔 수 없어. 제발.
Watch your pronunciation, the in. It's a J sound, but a bit softer and less aspirated than the English J. Think of it almost like DZ but without the D part, just the soft Z with a quick release. They would reply.
미안해.
In K-drama, Stairway to Heaven, a classic K-drama known for its tear-jerking separations, features this phrase frequently in dramatic farewells. True love isn't just about grand confessions, it's about comfort and unwavering support. These phrases are for those moments when you need to reassure your loved one, showing them you're always there. Are you okay? A common and essential phrase to express concern for someone's well-being, both physically, after an accident, and emotionally, when they seem upset or troubled.
괜찮아.
Now you try. Formal.
괜찮아.
Casual.
괜찮으세요? GWAEN-chan 이우세요? 모어 포멀 폴라잇. 괜찮아.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
괜찮아. 응, 괜찮아. 정말 다행이다.
Watch your pronunciation, the GWAEN sound. It features the diphthong, way, which can be tricky. Practice making the GW sound and then the AE, like A in cat, together smoothly, almost like Gwen. They would reply,
응, 괜찮아.
In K-drama, Queen of Tears, episode 10, when Baek Hyun-woo repeatedly asks Hong Hae-in if she's okay amidst her health struggles, showing his deep concern. Don't worry. Used to reassure someone who is feeling anxious, stressed, or troubled, letting them know that things will be alright or that you'll handle the situation.
걱정 마.
Now you try. Formal.
걱정 마.
Casual.
걱정 마세요. GEOG-jeong 마세요. 모어 포멀 폴라잇. 걱정 마.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
걱정 마. 정말 괜찮을까? 내가 있잖아.
Watch your pronunciation, the GEOG-jeong sound. The final in is unreleased, meaning you stop the air without a strong K sound. The in is unaspirated. Practice JEOG-jeong softly. They would reply,
정말.
In K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju, S1E9, Jun Hyung tells Bok-ju not to worry about her struggles, offering his unwavering support. I'm always on your side. Expressing unwavering loyalty, support, and solidarity with someone, letting them know that you will always stand by them, no matter what challenges they face.
항상 내 편이야.
Now you try. Formal.
항상 내 편이야.
Casual.
항상 당신 편입니다. 행상 당신 PYEON-i다. 모어 포멀 폴라잇. 항상 내 편이야.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
항상 내 편이야. 고마워. 정말 힘이 돼. 걱정 마.
Watch your pronunciation, the in. It's aspirated, like a soft H sound, but often gets lost or pronounced too hard by learners. Breathe out lightly, like fogging a mirror, for the H. They would reply,
고마워.
In K-drama, strong woman Do Bong-soon, S1E12, on Min-hyuk tells Do Bong-soon he will always protect her and be on her side. Quick quiz. In a romantic K-drama scene, how would you tell someone you missed them after a long separation? The answer is, BOGO SHI-peo-sseo. Here's everything you learned today. And that's a wrap on our K-drama romance lesson. You've just learned 9 powerful phrases to express love, concern, and unwavering support, just like your favorite Queen of Tears characters. Which phrase was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more engaging lessons, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you soon, Annyeong!